can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're still having a very red week. Right now, altcoins are still recovering. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trades around $86,000. Ethereum is trading around $2,800. We look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar, Bitcoin valuation against the US dollar, the total crypto market cap. Where are we heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? There's a lot of fear right now in the cryptocurrency market as extreme fear has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Is the bull market over? Are we already in a bear market? If we're in a bear market, how low can we go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, there was extreme fear. Last week, there was extreme fear. Market participants are scared to the teeth. Bitcoin trades around $86,000. Ethereum trades around $2,800. And a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market are really down bad. Sentiment has not been nice over the last 1 month in the cryptocurrency market. We spent majority of November in fear, in extreme fear. Hopefully, December will be a very good time for the cryptocurrency market. Hopefully, we see good sentiment return back to the cryptocurrency market. We see neutral sentiment, we see greed. But for us to see that, guys, we need to see higher prices. The last 24 hours has seen some coins bouncing. But if you go towards the last 1 week, you see that double-digit losses across in the altcoin market. All coins are down bad. We just have Maker that is up 23%, Quant is up 21%, SPX 6900 is up 13% on a monthly time frame. A lot of these altcoins are still down bad. Just Telcoin and Rain have a positive month. But I believe the tide is about to change, guys. I don't believe we'll continue dumping forever. Since the 6th of October 2025, we have seen that huge decline coming to the cryptocurrency market. And it's funny because technically we're still in a bull market, but right now the vibe in the market, the consensus in the market is that we're deep in a bear market, is that the cycle is over and we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town. If you look at Bitcoin, if you look at the crypto market cap, guys, we have not broken any major support from the all-time highs for the total crypto market cap around $4.22 trillion. We have dumped just around 35% from the all-time highs. And if you look at the previous dumps we had in this cycle, it's just around that 30-something% dump, nothing crazy. And for some weird reasons, market participants are scared to the teeth. We saw the cryptocurrency market dumping by 38% earlier in 2025. And we saw the cryptocurrency market recover all those losses, going to set new all-time highs. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, I'm waiting for that counter trend rally. We've talked about the relief rally. We're expecting total crypto market cap to rally basically to as high as the $3.5 trillion level. For Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trading at $87,000. I will not be shocked to see it head back to $109,000. That will be a very good level to get a lot of market participants sucked back in. Right now, market participants are shorting the market, believing we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town. There's always a possibility that we can set new all-time highs. But if you look at the technical indicators, it tells us Bitcoin is losing momentum since the 4th of March 2024. We have seen Bitcoin continue setting higher highs. What has the momentum indicator done since then? We have seen momentum indicators setting lower highs. I will not be shocked, guys, if the next rally to the upside, we see Bitcoin price probably even setting new all-time highs. There's always that possibility that Bitcoin could set new all-time highs. From where we're currently trading right now, Bitcoin is off around 60% from its all-time high. We can get a blow off top, we can get a retracement rally, but if you see the technical indicators failing to set new highs, that will be a signal to run off. That will be a signal that there's trouble in paradise. At some point in time, in the nearest future, we are going to see that big dump that will take us to Goblin Town. Take a look at what happened way back in 2022. When Bitcoin got $69,000, there was a clear sign that there was trouble in paradise because we saw the RSI fail to set new all-time highs after the price, and the RSI has set new all-time highs in January of 2021. By the time we got to November of 2021, Bitcoin was setting new all-time highs. The RSI was unable to set new all-time highs, and even after that initial decline, the next rally was where we confirmed that the cycle is cooked. That rally happened around 60 days. We saw the rally coming from January 2022 to to around March of 2022, around 63 days, we saw Bitcoin rally up by 46%. And after that 46% dump, then the big dump to Goblin Town began. And that big dump to Goblin Town took around 84 days. We saw Bitcoin losing around 64% of its value. I believe we're still going to see that big dump to Goblin Town at some point in time in the nearest future. But before we see that big dump to Goblin Town, we expect to see a relief rally. The markets will not just go down in a straight line. There's going to be a lot of bounce along the way. From where we're currently trading, a bounce towards $100,000 will not be out of question. And we have to pay attention to Bitcoin dominance. Historically, Bitcoin dominance always dumps at the end of the cycle. We saw that way back in 2020 when Bitcoin dominance started dumping. When it finished dumping around May, and that was when the cycle initially topped before we went for that second top in November of 2024. But Bitcoin dominance dumping is a telltale sign that market participants are going risks off. We saw it way back in 2017. Also, when Bitcoin topped, we saw Bitcoin dominance also dumping, and that dump used to be aggressive. It used to be very, very fast. And I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Bitcoin dominance sits around 59%. Bitcoin dominance could go to as low as 50%. That has been my base case scenario. I will be expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump towards the 50% region. Or expecting to see the altcoin market outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since April of 2025. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum end the year still outperforming Bitcoin. That relief rally, when it comes through, we can see Ethereum probably setting new highs against Bitcoin. We might see Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar not setting new all-time highs, but once thing is sure, you're going to see a lot of risk taking. You're going to see a lot of market participants FOMOing at higher prices. We've seen Ethereum pull back from where it was trading on the 18th of August 2025. We saw Ethereum valued at 0.043 ratio level against Bitcoin. Ethereum has pulled back 26% from then. But even with the 26% pullback, guys, Ethereum is still up a whooping 86% against Bitcoin since April of 2025. In the coming days and coming weeks, watch out for Ethereum's rally towards $5,000. A lot of market participants have given up. Ethereum could easily see rally towards $5,000. I will not be shocked to see that counter trend rally. Maybe we get to $5,000, maybe we don't get there. But $5,000 Ethereum will not be crazy. $5,000 Ethereum can happen before the end of the year. That will see Ethereum rallying by almost 100% from where we are currently trading. That will catch a lot of market participants off guard. Right now, most market participants are short the market. It's either they're in cash or they believe we're deep down in the bear market. You have to think like the composite man, guys. You have to think like the smart players. The smart players had opportunities to sell their Bitcoin above $100,000 for over 6 months. And they did. When retail investors piling towards Bitcoin at $125,000, that's when we saw that biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. And right now, the long to short ratio is still favoring the shorts. The shorts are up 51.35% against the long 48.65%. More market participants are still short the market. In the past 24 hours, over 134,000 traders have been liquidated, with total liquidation coming in around $475 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $15.6 million in the process. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money before that big end of cycle pump happens. We always see that. I don't think this time is different. In Q4 of 2025, Bitcoin is down 24%, Ethereum is down 32%. The month of November was very bearish for Bitcoin. We saw the second worst November for Bitcoin in its history. Bitcoin went down 17.6% in the month of November. In the month of December already, Bitcoin is down 4.33%. Hopefully, we'll continue the month on a positive note. But right now, Bitcoin is down bad. Ethereum is also down bad 6.66% in the month of December. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The altcoin market is very shaky right now. Double-digit losses across the board. A lot of market participants are tired. When will this cycle come to an end? Is the cycle over? Are we already in a bear market? If we're in the bear market, how did the cycle come to an end? A lot of questions are being asked. But I believe, guys, all the indicators I've been watching, looking out for, have not still flashed. And yes, a lot of indicators market participants are paying attention to will not flash. There's no guarantee that those indicators must flash before the cycle comes to an end. But I expect meme coins to always pump at the end of the market cycle. Historically, that's what market participants do. They go risks on, they start buying worthless tokens, they start pumping low cap coins at the end of the cycle. Right now, the meme coin market is down bad on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. I will not be shocked if in the coming days and coming weeks we see a change of vibe in the cryptocurrency market. If you see the meme coin market start outperforming macro cap, you see the meme coin market start performing Bitcoin, start performing the top 10, that may be a telltale sign that we're heading to Goblin Town, because we always pump before the dump. We just don't continue dumping to Goblin Town forever. There's always going to be a rally to suck back retail investors before the big dump to Goblin Town begins. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Unchained. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, is down 21% over the last 30 days. Ethereum is down 28%. XRP is down 19%. BNB is down 23%. Solana is down 32%. Tron and Dogecoin are also down in the last 30 days. Let's look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Vanguard 50 plus million clients will soon have access to crypto ETF. Remember, Vanguard CEO was saying they will not trade Bitcoin, and 1 year later the CEO is out and they're going to start offering Bitcoin products and crypto products to their 50 million clients. Inevitable 50k Bitcoin price crash. A lot of market platforms are getting bearish, and we're seeing news articles talking about how Bitcoin could dump to as low as $50,000. I believe, guys, we're closer to the end of the dump. We are closer to the end of this huge crash that we saw from all-time highs. That rally is going to catch a lot of market participants off guard. Ethereum ICO wallet moves $120 million after a decade, throwing it into staking. We're going to see Ethereum's hard fork happen in less than 48 hours. The Fukasa upgrade is coming on live. Don't be shocked to see Ethereum pumping. Don't be shocked to see a lot of market participants in hindsight start behaving as if it was so obvious that Ethereum would pump. Bitmain buys $70 million of Ethereum, while Tom Lee revises his Bitcoin prediction. Tom Lee was one of the market participants believing Bitcoin could get to $250,000 by the end of 2025. But right now, he's saying maybe, just maybe, we have to wait to 2026 to see that 250k Bitcoin. Ethereum devs work on secret Santa protocol to power privacy. Japan government backs 20% tax on crypto profits on par with stocks. While government trying to tax crypto right now, we had governments around the world saying crypto is scams, crypto is illegal. Right now, they want to get their own share of your crypto profits. Bitcoin falls to $84,000. Is Japan bond market the culprit earlier in the cycle? Remember when we had the Japan yen carry trade crash on August 4th of August 2024? That was when that crash happened. Since then, the Japan yen trade stuff has gone low-key, but right now we're hearing whispers about it. Hopefully that's not what will lead us down to Goblin Town. But remember, guys, when the dump finally happens, you will hear about how this is what caused the crash, this is why we're dumping, Donald Trump tweeted this. Nope. When we're pumping, nobody was asking why we're pumping to the moon. When we're dumping, just remember it's part of the process. CME rekindles ETH supercycle debate. Ethereum features volume tops Bitcoin. Historically, when that starts happening, there's trouble in paradise. But before that trouble in paradise comes, we usually see the final pump. And according to the Altcoins season index, we're not yet in that final pump. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is down 21%. A lot of altcoins are down bad. Aptos is down 43%. Subi is down 41%. Pepe is down 38%. And if you start seeing 75% of the top 50 coins doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's when we officially say we are in an altcoin season. But right now, we're not in an altcoin season. Altcoins are down bad. Bitcoin is down. For Ethereum, that's gone from as high as $4,955 towards $2,800. That's a 43% decline. We've seen Ethereum dump 60% starting 2025 on a very dumpy note, and Ethereum still recovers. So remember, all things are possible. These altcoins are very, very volatile. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. But if you want to experience that end of year pump, if you want to experience that end of cycle pump, you have to be brave. You have to buy when the prices are low. You have to be willing to sell when the prices are high. Pay attention to total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, and total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're going to be very, very important in the coming days and coming weeks. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency markets today? Do you believe there's still going to be a relief rally, or are you just going to continue dumping to Goblin Town as this is the start of a bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.